everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone microphone not working after update. Is your iPhone's microphone not working after update, or does your voice sound muffled during voice calls and video calls? There are several factors that could hamper the performance of your iPhone's microphone. In this video I'll explain what you can do if microphone is not working on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is restart your iPhone. Sometimes the easy solution is the best solution. Restarting your iPhone refreshes the iOS by clearing all the processes and open apps. It can be a quick fix to your microphone problem. To restart your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off and wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. Next step is disconnect Bluetooth devices. For this, go to settings and then tap on Bluetooth and then tap on Bluetooth toggle button to turn it off and you are done. You can also turn off Bluetooth in the control center. Open the control center and just tap on the Bluetooth icon and you are done. And the next step is restart communication apps. For this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal the app switcher. Find the communication app you wish to close and swipe up on it. And then reopen the app and check to see if microphone is working as expected. And the next step is give apps microphone access. For this, go to settings. Scroll down to see the apps. Tap on the problematic app. Then see if the microphone is enabled. If it is not enabled, tap on its toggle button to enable it. And you are done. And the next step is update iOS or restore your iPhone to default settings. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if their update is available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. If updating your iPhone operating system doesn't resolve the iOS 17 microphone problem, you might want to restore your iPhone to the default settings. For this, go to settings. Scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone and you are done. If neither of these solutions work, one other step you can take is to erase all content on your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next, tap on erase all content and settings. Make sure backup your iPhone first and then tap on continue and then tap on erase iPhone to confirm and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of microphone not working after iOS update, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.